If your web agency is still spending 10 to 20 hours manually converting complex Figma designs into WordPress Gutenberg blocks, you're losing time and profit margins. Let me show you how my AI pipeline does it in under 20 minutes. First, our pipeline scrapes and analyzes the layout logic and brand personnel. Then, using a custom AI skill and agents, it automatically maps and generates clean, pixel perfect native Gutenberg blocks, completely bypassing all the usual page builder bloat and responsive bugs. And there you have it, a 100% responsive, production ready page with full native inline editing for your client, built and launched in a single session. I've already rolled this out across a bunch of client builds. Here are a few other recent projects where I used this exact pipeline. If you are an agency owner looking to scale your development capacity and deliver websites 5x faster, send me a DM and let's talk.